Hi everyone, I'm back. This is really late. It is 10 past 8 p.m. Very late. But I got something in my mind that I want to do, and if I have it in my mind, it just has to come out. So, first off, the new sponsor list. Thank you all for sponsoring me in January 2018. Thank you. So, I was inspired, yes, once again, by the same person. And I bet you can guess who it was. It was Rick Chattel. Yes, it was. If there's one person on the whole internet that really inspires me, that's Rick. So Rick, thanks for the inspiration. I can't explain exactly what it is, but you'll see it happen in a bit. I was first I saw the image of the painting and I thought, wow, that is amazing. And then I had a little bonus because Rick made a video about it, and I thought, wow, that is really cool. So I'm gonna try and do that now. So, okay, first off, I want to show you something else. I said I was going to frame those little paper marbling things. Look at that. Is that cute or what? I didn't iron it, I just wanted to see how it looked. And I don't know, it has something, the lower part, it really has something that, there it is. It's sort of 3D something, I don't know. But I just cut that out, just by hand. And it has something beautiful in it. And just looking at this, and then another one, because I have one of those mats that you can put in somewhere. Like if I were to mat this one like that. Look at that. Isn't that just, gorgeous? I just love it. Or like this. That would be really cool too. I gotta watch out that I don't get any paint on it. But, this is just beautiful. Like that. Yeah, maybe like this. Look at that. Oh yeah, there's paint on it, so I can't have that, but, and this was just the cleanup of the tray. Look at that. That is so beautiful. I really love that. I think it's for some weird reason, I really like it even more than, the pouring. And usually I would make really the real marbled paper, but I just love this so much. Even this one here, that would be really beautiful there. Okay, enough of it. I'm sorry, but it just, really, it was, when I just did that with the little mat thing on it, I was just amazed by how beautiful it really was. Okay, I'm ready. I got everything set up here. I have a palette knife, although it's not clean. It just got into a little bit of paint. Okay, now it's clean. I got my paint. Couple of sticks. I have my wet cloth, and I have my cocktail prickers, toothpicks. Okay, now here we go. Oh no, I need a cup. Okie dokie. I have been pouring, but that was for the hotel. I think they're up to the last floor of the hotel where I'm doing the headboards for, so they're almost finished. But I have to send them this week because he's really depending on it. So we're gonna do that. Now I gotta just be careful how I put this paint in here. And of course, we want some on this side. I'm being very careful because there's a certain way I want it to come onto the onto this. This is a canvas I just painted. It is a brown background, and now I have to really be careful of what I'm going to do. That's okay. That's pretty. I do want it to be a little bit bigger, and maybe just get it off there. Now I am going to do a tiny bit of torching. Nope, I'm not going to use this one. I have got my little baby torch. That's all that I'm going to give it. Well, this little bit here, maybe. That's it. Okay, so that's, oops, that's a little bit too light. That's better. Okay, we got a little bit of cells going on here. Wait a minute, I see something that I'm pretty sure is gonna, that's better. So that's what we're gonna do. And let it run down a little bit, not too much. Okay, we're ready. Now, I am going to pull it down, and that doesn't work. I see it. That's just not thick enough. This is what Rick did. He pulled those, he made something really organic looking, and that's what I'm going for. And I'm trying to make those a little bit broader. I couldn't really see what he was using to do this. Let's see, something wider than that. Pulling it down here. That was my husband with the coffee. Okay, let's do something else, because this isn't working like I thought it would work. Okay, let's see if this works better. No, it doesn't. I don't know why it doesn't do what I want to do. Let's see. That is better. But that's because I'm dipping it in the paint. That's better. I need a little bit more paint on there. I know I'm getting awfully quiet, but that's because it's sort of doing what I wanted to do. And I really need those lines to stay in there. And they're not really doing that. Not as much as I'd like. It's okay up to here. That's okay. And I like these big big holes, and that sort of gives it something special. But maybe I can pull them a little bit more. Let's see. Yeah, that's looking cool. Now I need something else. Oh, I'm thinking how I'm gonna do this. Not with that. Let's see. It has to have just a little bit more. This is cool looking. I like this bit. These are up close, these are pretty. And this is kind of pretty too, because what I've done is I've started off the little stripe that I was making in the brown and pulling the cells out, so that's kind of cool. But I was expecting a little bit more. Maybe now I got my finger in the paint. That's okay. It's gone. Oops, gotta get a clean spot. That's okay. Okay, well, I guess this is it. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, I gotta fill in these things. As you can see, it's sort of straight down to the canvas, and that we don't like. Not the whole way. That looks better. Now, if you want to see something that resembles this, go to Rick Chattell's YouTube, I was going to say Facebook group, but YouTube channel, and he has done a really pretty one. That looks really, really good. And I might even go further with this, you know, just maybe one or two more of these. But doing this on video is a little bit weird, because normally I really take my time doing this, filling in these it's looking good. Maybe a little thicker up here. That's looking better. Just filling up the little hole in the middle. Oops, sorry. I'm not talking too much. I think that's about it. Maybe I'll get a brush. Wait a minute. The thing is that I've got my good brushes all upstairs, the really small ones. Let's see. And no, see, that's where it goes wobbly. That's not good. So I'll have to take that out. I'll have to fix that when it's dry. You know, just go over it with the dark brown. Let's see if I can fix it right away. Yeah. I gotta test out something, I don't know, something that I can do that with. I am thinking. Maybe this, let's see. Nope. See that it leaves these it leaves that space in the middle, which I don't really like. Oh, I'll have to fix that. I gotta fix a lot on this one. Oh boy. It's just not working out. Why doesn't it work? I'm not sure. Let's see. See, I want to wipe it all out now. Should I do that? I'm not sure. Oh boy. No, let's not do that. I'll wait for it. At least, you know, I'll give you a close-up. Let's see. There it is. Ooh, yeah. I think I might torch that anyway. Let's see if there's anything left to torch. Yeah. Now it's looking more like a fish. Just a little bit there. Yep, that's it. Okay, I'll have to think about this. I'm gonna let it dry. And maybe after I turn off the video, I just might, you know, clean this off, make it nice and tight again, and then do something with, I don't know, string. My mind is racing for some way to get these nice, tight lines, and I'm really not sure what I can do. I'm looking around as I talk, looking for something to do it with. I have these little sticks that in the summer I cut off the little twigs off trees, and then I, you know, do it with a sharp knife, and that's really relaxing. That's something that you can do if you really want to relax. Makes a lot of mess though. See, I just want it to come down a little, but I don't want the hole in the middle. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna wipe it clean, I guess. Just make it sharp and then see what I can do. Okay, so thank you for watching, and for the people that I haven't commented on yet, I wish you all a very happy and healthy, creative 2018. And well, I guess you'll see me in the next video, which might not be tomorrow because I am working on, like I said, on the pours for the hotel, and they have to be there by Friday, so I have to really speed it up, pour them and put them on some heat source to dry them so that I can send them out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, some people asked me about teaching you some Dutch words, and they thought that when I said liebe euch alle, that was Dutch, but it's German. So it's love you all to pieces, and liebe euch alle, that's I love you all. And then in Dutch we say ik hou van jullie allemaal. So that's totally different. So I love you is ik hou van jou, and I love you all, it's ik hou van jullie allemaal. So you learned something, right? Okay then. See you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.